Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Cordless half-inch high-torque impact wrench. Engineered for heavy-duty use, it delivers incredible power and torque for the toughest jobs. These are the most powerful, most compact, longest-running impact wrenches in their class. This tool's short 8 7/8 inch frame delivers 450 foot-pounds of torque, yet it weighs only 6.7 pounds. Different models come with either a friction ring for quick and easy socket changes or a pin detent for positive socket retention. For superior power in a compact package, choose the Milwaukee M18 Cordless half-inch high-torque impact wrench, powered by lithium-ion, protected by DPM.